Let's dive into the list of 25 remote jobs you can start right now without any experience. From jobs that start slow to those that can earn you a solid income, these are all great options if you're looking for flexible work that can be done from anywhere. And if you're new to this, don't worry. I'll guide you step by step on how to get started and where to find these jobs. Get ready to kick off your remote work journey. Data entry clerk. This is one of the simplest jobs. You just need to input information into spreadsheets or systems. It might not be the most exciting job, but it can be a quick solution if you need something easy and straightforward. You can earn around $33,000 to $40,000 a year. The good news is that most data entry jobs don't require much beyond basic computer skills and attention to detail. Content moderator. Think of this job as being the internet police, keeping inappropriate content from showing up online. You'll be reviewing posts, videos, and comments to ensure they follow the rules. You can do this job from anywhere, but it's not for the faint-hearted. The salary typically hovers around $42,000 per year and can increase if you stick with it. Customer service representative. If you're good at communicating, customer service is a solid option. You'll help customers solve their issues via phone, email, or online chat. You can expect to make around $35,000 to $40,000 a year. This job can also be a stepping stone to more specialized customer support roles. As a virtual assistant, you'll handle tasks like scheduling, managing emails, and doing research for busy professionals. This job offers a lot of variety and is perfect if you're organized and good at multitasking. The salary can range from $30,000 to $50,000 depending on your clients. Online tutoring is a flexible and rewarding option, especially if you're good at a particular subject like math or science. The pay starts at around $25 an hour, and you could earn up to $50,000 a year if you have consistent work. As a transcriptionist, your job is to listen to audio recordings like conversations, speeches, or legal content, and type out exactly what you hear. It requires fast typing and attention to detail. You can expect to earn about $40,000 a year, with potential for more if you specialize in fields like medical or legal transcription. Social media manager. If you're savvy with Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, managing social media accounts could be a great fit. You'll create content, engage with followers, and help grow a brand's online presence. You'll also need to stay on top of the latest trends and adjust strategies to boost engagement. The average salary for this role is between $45,000 and $65,000 a year, depending on your experience and the size of the company. Online sales representative. Online sales is a fun option if you have good communication skills and love interacting with customers. This job involves reaching out to potential customers, introducing products, and closing deals through channels like email, social media, or e-commerce platforms. The salary can range from $40,000 to $60,000 a year, with potential for more if you earn commission from sales. Affiliate marketing associate. Affiliate marketing is booming, especially in e-commerce. Your job is to partner with companies to promote their products through online channels like blogs, websites, or social media. You'll track campaign performance and optimize content to attract more customers. Salaries range from $45,000 to $70,000 a year, with potential for more if you work with multiple partners or achieve great results. In a previous video, I talked in detail about how beginners can start in affiliate marketing, so make sure to check that out. Technical support representative. If you're the person people call when their computer breaks down, technical support might be for you. The starting salary is around $50,000 a year, and you don't need a tech degree to get started. If you prefer typing over talking, being a live chat specialist could be a great fit. Your job is to answer customer questions and solve their problems through chat or email, which requires fast typing and problem-solving skills. The average salary is about $43,000 a year, with opportunities for growth if you can handle multiple conversations at once or work in a more complex support environment. As an online community manager, you'll manage groups, forums, or social media communities, ensuring that everyone follows the rules, keeping communication positive, and resolving conflicts when needed. You'll also create content, organize events, and keep the community engaged. The salary for this role typically ranges from $45,000 to $60,000 a year, depending on experience and the size of the community you manage. An SEO specialist job is to help websites rank higher on Google. This role doesn't require advanced expertise to start, and you can earn between $50,000 and $75,000 a year. If you enjoy advertising and want to work with platforms like Google or Facebook, becoming an online marketing specialist is a great option. You'll plan, execute, and track campaigns to help businesses boost their revenue. This job doesn't require much experience to begin with, and you can learn through online courses. The starting salary is between $50,000 and $70,000 a year, and with good performance, you can grow quickly in this field. As a virtual bookkeeper, you'll manage finances for businesses remotely, including tracking expenses, invoicing, handling payroll, and ensuring accurate financial reports. You can work with various clients from small businesses to large companies, and you don't need to work in an office. The salary typically starts at $55,000 a year and can increase based on your experience and the number of clients you manage. As a remote project manager, you'll oversee and coordinate projects from start to finish, ensuring each phase is completed on time, within budget, and meets its objectives. You'll communicate with stakeholders, assign tasks to your team, and use project management tools like Trello or Asana to track progress. The salary for this position is around $65,000 a year, but can be higher depending on the project's size and your experience. As a copywriter, you'll write engaging marketing content for campaigns, including emails, website copy, and promotional materials. This job requires creativity, a good understanding of your target audience, and the ability to write compelling content. You'll often work closely with the marketing team to ensure the brand's message is clear and effective. Starting salaries are around $65,000 a year, with plenty of room for growth as you gain experience. As a web developer, you'll be responsible for coding and building websites, from front-end design to complex back-end functions. You'll need knowledge of programming languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and you may also optimize websites for performance. The salary ranges from $60,000 to $90,000 a year, depending on your skills and experience. Remote sales manager. As a remote sales manager, you'll lead and support a team of sales reps, helping them meet targets and develop effective sales strategies. The job involves tracking performance, coaching your team, and building relationships with clients remotely. The salary for this position ranges from $90,000 to $150,000 a year, depending on the company's size and performance. Software engineer. Software engineers are among the highest paid remote workers, especially in the fast-growing tech industry. They are responsible for developing, maintaining, and improving software systems and applications. Starting salaries for new software engineers are around $100,000 a year, and with more experience and specialization in areas like AI or machine learning, you can double that income. Blogging and content creation. Blogging and content creation allow you to share your knowledge or passion about topics you love, attracting readers and generating income through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling your products and services. Earnings can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s a month, depending on your audience, content quality, and monetization strategies. This flexible job is perfect for anyone looking to build a long-term online career. Email marketing manager. As an email marketing manager, you'll be responsible for planning, creating, and managing email campaigns to engage customers and boost sales for businesses. You'll need to analyze campaign performance, optimize open rates, and increase engagement. The average salary for this role is between $40,000 and $65,000 a year, depending on the company's size and your experience. Freelance graphic designer. As a freelance graphic designer, you'll work with businesses to create designs like logos, marketing materials, and website graphics. This job requires creativity and proficiency in design software like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. The salary ranges from $30,000 to $70,000 a year, depending on the number of projects and your level of expertise. Translator. If you're fluent in multiple languages, translation work can provide steady income. You'll translate documents, books, or website content from one language to another, ensuring accuracy and appropriate style. Income typically ranges from $40,000 to $60,000 a year, depending on the languages and fields you specialize in. Telehealth consultant. If you have medical knowledge, you can provide remote consultations and support to patients through video calls or phone. This job usually requires a medical license but doesn't need you to work in a clinic. Starting salaries are around $60,000 a year, with potential for higher earnings if you have specialized expertise or more experience. How to get started? If you're new, the first step is to build basic skills. Don't worry, you can easily learn through online courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare. Joining Facebook groups or forums to learn from experienced people is also a great way to begin. Where to find jobs? You can find remote jobs on sites like Freelancer, Upwork, Fiverr, or larger platforms like LinkedIn Jobs, Glassdoor, Remote.co. And don't forget to optimize your LinkedIn profile to attract more employers. Build your skills. Try learning tools like Google Ads, Facebook Blueprint, SEO if you want to pursue digital marketing. If you're into project management, get familiar with software like Trello, Asana, and if design is your thing, Canva is a great place to start. Prepare your resume. To stand out, highlight your ability to work independently, your organizational skills, and communication strengths. Don't hesitate to include personal projects or courses you've completed. They'll help you stand out to potential employers. In a previous video, I talked about best 8 side hustles for ain't lazy people. If you missed it, check it out to get more ideas on how to boost your income during tough times. I hope this video gives you some helpful insights. In future videos, I'll continue sharing more ways to increase your income. So make sure to subscribe so you won't miss out. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button to support me. With these tips, you're ready to start your remote work journey. Don't hesitate. Take that first step today and start building your career in the world of remote jobs.